Okay, we are at 22103 Eagle Meadow Drive, Katy 77450. We are going down the vent for the toilet in the hallway restroom. Doop-a-deep-a-doo. Doop-a-deep-a-doo. Go see if I'm in the yard. Open up the clean out and check it out.
You're already there, James. You can see the pavement.
Okay.
Past the cleanout.
Okay. Alright. We already passed the clean out. Well, let me just take a little more, see if I can see it.
Where you gonna take
That's the city. That's the main right there. You got the locator?
Yes, I am.
Hey, go over there by the sidewalk.
Looks like they did.
Hector!
You're right here.
I know. I'm bringing it back. You're good.
Right there.
Okay. This is the main. It turns and it drops into the main. That's the main right there. That is the main. Everything looks good.
From this restroom that I had the problem, right?
Yes, sir. Okay, we're bringing it back, and that pipe is nice and round from what I can see. It's good. You're right, it's
You
good.
see any
No.
because you went by the tree, you're all the way over
Yeah,
there.
I'm already underneath there. No, that's good.
No H shape?
No, that's good. You seen it right.
Because when I ran it back this way into the house, I guess I don't know if I got close to the end, but coming into the house, they look pretty good too.
Okay. We're gonna go to the back restroom.
The where?
The back restroom.
Through the vent?
We'll go through that one right there.
Okay. They're pulling toward me.
Yeah. You wanna pull toilets?
Oh no, I don't.
I mean, it looks good to me, dude.
Huh?
It looks good. Every fitting look good.
Yeah. I didn't see no roof.
Nothing. I don't know what he was hitting. Okay.
Ain't no telling, unless like he hit it. Made it go down.
I don't know, man. Alright. Welcome to this convenience store. Oh wow, it's one cool. Yeah. Okay. Oh, this is a tool. Never mind, that's an inch and a half. Okay. Alright, now we are going down the vent pipe for the...
Nutella?
No, I got them right here. For the back restroom. You cleaned it off, right?
Yeah, I cleaned it.
Oops. There's a bunch of sludge right there. Well, it's just probably marking on the pipe because if it was mud, it would have got all over the lens right now. It would have smushed all over it, but it didn't do that. It just went straight over it. So it's just telling me that the pipe is just scarred.
Clean?
I mean, it's holding a little water right here, but nothing major. And we are in the main already again.
We'll go look and see if you're the...
Hold on, I'm gonna tell you when. I'm gonna tell you when you're gonna see me. There, I can see all the markings he did with his machine. You can see all the markings. Right there. You're going to see me right there. That's me. Okay. We are clear. We're clear all the way over there.
Yeah, that's in the camera too, so kind of hard to say what.
No, we're gonna go do that one next
kitchen?
over there. Yeah. Hold on. You know what I want to do? We're gonna do the clean out again, cause I can see where his you can see the swirls, the marks where he was hitting. And keep going. I want to see where I want to see where they stop at. See what he was hitting out there. We're gonna do it out there again.
Glass or something?
I don't know.
You can't see, but the glass would break with the cable, wouldn't it?
Yeah. All right, we're gonna go to the kitchen. I think that was the shower. Kitchen's over there. And that might be the kitchen. Let me go look real quick. You wanna go check this out?
Yeah. Isn't this the laundry room? This first one? Okay. I'm wondering if this is laundry room. Oh, wow. We might as well run them all while we're up here. That's nothing, though. Nothing? I know, I heard you say nothing. That's nothing. The washing machine's this one? Yeah, and the kitchen's that one?
That, I don't know where it's to. Let me see. How far did you go down?
I was straightening this out.
Go ahead and go, I guess it's, just put it down. Yeah, this vent here, It goes to nothing. There was probably something in there
That they capped it
before,
off?
but it's capped off. Because it don't...
There's wire, spider webs.
Yeah.
There's nothing in there.
What's that?
Rag.
That looks like a... Yeah.
Rag.
Yeah, it's plugged off. Whatever it is, it's plugged off in the wall. That's going to be the drain.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. There used to probably be like a wet bar there, and it's not there no more. This is the kitchen line that you're going down.
This is the kitchen line that we're going down, the vent, the vent area.
Ooh, what's that? Dust? Dirt? I guess so. Yeah, a little dirt's on it now. There it goes, it came off. Probably not, it just went black.
What is it doing? There's too many terms.
Is it?
Yeah, too many terms. Uh-oh. Whoa, shoot. Clean it off.
Let's check. What the heck is it doing?
Looks like this vent's closed too.
Okay, that's gonna be the 90. No, that's gonna be one turn. It's gonna be another turn. That's gonna be the sink. You see it?
Yeah.
That's
Where
gonna be
it
the
drains
kitchen.
down.
That's gonna be the kitchen line. That's the kitchen. That's the T catching the sink. Got a lot of buildup on it. See how it runs right here?
Yeah.
The top part is just dirty. It's just over time, the mist and everything. It just got the top of the pipe dirty. As you can see, the bottom is clear. That's where the water runs.
Washer and dryer.
That might be the fitting that's over there, or yeah, that could probably be the washing machine line. Another connection. There's a little bit of grease right there. Now we got a little bit of grease, nothing too bad. Oh, and now there's a lot of grease right there.
Wow.
There's grease right there. You can tell the grease. A lot of grease in the kitchen line. Oh yeah, a lot of debris. A lot of grease. I'm trying to see what will come out in the freaking main. That's where it's going to drop into the main.
It's over here.
No, I mean not the main. When I meant the main, I'm talking about the main line underneath the house, not the main going outside. That's going to be the main. That's going to be the main drop right there. We're in the sewer line where we basically in the house before it goes out. There's a lot of grease in the line. It's probably going to have to be snaked pretty soon. Probably have to snake it already.
This light needs to be jet, really.
You know, you need
You
a.
can't jet it.
You gotta just snake it. Okay, this is going to be it for the kitchen. You know what? Hold on. While you do that, go back. Go back all the way. I'm going to go run water, and we're going to pull this back at the same time and try to get some of this gunk out of here. Since the camera's already in here, it should push some stuff. All right. Hold on.
Okay, do you want to do this last one? No? Can I go ahead and shut it down or what? All right. Bring it over here. Bring it over here. Okay. We are at the clean out now. These are his lines. You can see his lines right there. Okay. Now we're going to come over here this way. I'm going to go out. Those are his lines. Those are his lines. It looks like lines right there. If you can see the lines where he was cutting at. You can see the lines where his machine was going. Machine's going. Still see the lines right there. Still see the lines. Still see the lines. Still see the lines. Hold on, I'm going to locate this real quick. Hector. Hey, Hector. I want you to see this. Huh? I want you to see this. Okay. Do you see those swirls? You see those swirls?
Yeah.
That's his machine.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
That's his machine. All those lines?
Yeah.
That's his machine.
All right. See right there?
Mm-hmm. You up on top?
No, this is the bottom, but you don't see them no more. You see them?
Yeah.
You don't see them no more.
Mm-hmm. So, move back the other way.
You see him?
He's hitting something right there.
But it's not egg-shaped. You'll see it smushed.
Yeah. I don't even see the egg.
Okay.
But eventually there was something in there then, right? Had to be. You want to locate it? No, it's right here. Under the tree? Yeah. So at one time there had to be something in there. Push it down. What's that? What was that? Where before the swirl? Take a look at that fitting.
What?
I want to see that fitting.
Look.
Want to wind it back?
Yeah, look, you come all the way
Right
back.
there, right there.
Okay.
No,
That's
no.
not even egg-shaped.
No.
That's not, it's round.
Yeah.
You could tell. You could tell the whole thing.
No, what I was thinking was there something maybe be able to, I don't think anything would catch to that, right?
No, but see, look, you don't see no more swirls.
Nothing right there.
You don't see no more swirls. It looks pretty round to me.
I don't see no scratches.
No, you don't see the scratches no more. Whatever he was hitting, it done went down.
Been through.
But see, that looks all good, dude.
It looks all round.
That looks good.
That's a drop right there.
It's gonna come. It does a couple of drops.
Turn. Right here, back it up a second.
That's round.
Yeah, I just want to see the ring.
That's round.
Go ahead. That's it.
And that's gonna be the before it goes into the city. It's just right there.
That's city right there.
Yeah. See? That's the city right there. You can tell. Boom. I don't know if that.
What is that?
That's where the tap is.
Oh, it's where they tap into the line.
Yeah, that's where they tap into the line. That's the city.
Um.
But that really ain't gonna cause nothing.
But how would all that come back up here though? It'd have to be something really heavy for it to come back all the way up here, right?
That's all I can say.
And we hadn't had nothing. I don't know if we had any heavy rain out here or nothing.
But that shouldn't. I don't know, man.
Or maybe the city
that's
needs
just like
to,
slime right there. Look at that.
maybe the city needs to do a clean out on their system.
Right?
Yeah.
That looks like slime.
I thought that was rocks or something.
I don't know what that is. That's probably tar that they put around the
Fittings.
on the fitting to get it to seal. That's the city.
Yeah, 'cause look, there's a water dripping there.
But that's the top.
Yeah.
This is the top.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
This is the top and the bottom's over there.
Yeah,
the bottom's right there.
Yeah. The white is the bottom.
I'll tell her maybe she want to call the city and tell her if it's their issue because
Well, she'll be able to tell with the video.
yeah, you'll be able to tell big time, dude.
Yeah.
And that tree's it's not really going underneath the tree.
It's barely skimming it.
All right, this is going to be it for our conclusion. If anything, get the city to check out their connection to make sure that it's not a city issue, but it is not an issue with the house itself. That'll be it for this conclusion.